ourselves the Earth Guardians.
And they have a mission to fulfill.
We have to be protectors of the Earth.
The philanthropic team of Sandals Foundation's Earth Guardians took the mission of reducing single-use plastics to 12 Caribbean schools on May 23. It was Earth Day. The theme, the aspiration, was to end plastic pollution. Coronel de Primary in Montego Bay was among the 6 Jamaican schools visited by Sandals Earth Guardians. 2 years ago, the NSWMA started a pilot plastic bottle recycling project. Earlier this year, the Prime Minister told Parliament and the country that government was supporting a private sector-led plastic bottle return system. And now, from one of the island's prominent private sector members.
As environmental stewards within the tourism industry, we feel it is a need and it is very imperative for us to visit the schools here in Montego Bay as we create much impact and to share the knowledge on how it is important to sustain our environment.
The Earth Guardians from Sandals Royal Caribbean and Sandals Montego Bay handed out reusable bags and water bottles to students and teachers of Coronel de Primary.
We distributed over 450 plastic bottles to the students, and I'm sure it will go a far way, and this is the first step in making a difference as we ensure that our students continue to use this plastic bottle rather than the disposable plastic containers that they have.
These students received much more than that. They also got information on the harmful effects of plastic pollution.
Look inside, you'll see lighters, you'll see corks, and you see plastic bits and all these things which are not biodegradable, meaning that it does not break down. So because it doesn't break down, it just stays and stays for hundreds of years, it stays for long. And this is just one of the many effects of pollution.
And they even received tips on how they can put plastics to good use.
And there's the last picture that we have on the screen, water sprinkler. So if you can't afford to buy the one that's to hold on the top so that it doesn't use the water when you're there, it's not in use, you can put a little bottle on the nozzle, bore some holes in it, and definitely there is your sprinkler.
We sought to educate our young minds because they are the future leaders.
To the children that are listening, we are the ones that can stop the pollution and better our environment as we try to decrease the dangers and everything that the plastic pollution causes to us, because it is very, very dangerous and we need to take caution.
We must start somewhere because it really has gotten out of hand, and we appreciate this move that you have made and you coming here this morning to help to strengthen what we have been saying to the children, teachers and the parents.